What makes a modern farmhouse so desirable? It's the perfect blend of rustic charm and contemporary elegance. If you're curious about how to achieve a modern farmhouse look in your home, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the essential elements of modern farmhouse design. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring this popular style into your space, whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to make a few updates. So, stay tuned, and you'll discover the secrets to creating a home that's both stylish and welcoming. Before we dive in, we need to know: what is modern farmhouse design? Modern farmhouse design combines the best of old and new. It's about creating a space that feels both cozy and stylish. Imagine blending the charm of a traditional farmhouse with the clean lines and simplicity of modern design. This style emphasizes comfort and functionality, making it perfect for families and anyone who loves a welcoming home. Next, let's look at the key elements that define modern farmhouse design. Color palette. Neutral colors are the foundation of modern farmhouse design. Think whites, grays, and soft earthy tones. These colors create a calm and inviting atmosphere, allowing other design elements to stand out. Materials. Natural materials are key. Wood, metal, and stone are commonly used to bring warmth and texture to the space. Whether it's a reclaimed wood table or metal light fixtures, these materials add an authentic touch. Furniture in a modern farmhouse is a mix of vintage and modern pieces. You might find a sleek, contemporary sofa paired with an antique wooden coffee table. This combination keeps the space feeling fresh, yet rooted in tradition. Decor. When it comes to decor, less is more. Choose simple, minimalistic pieces that still offer coziness. Natural textures like cotton and linen, along with greenery, bring life to the space without overwhelming it. Now let's move on to the exterior features of modern farmhouse design. The exterior of a modern farmhouse is just as important as the interior. Typical features include board and batten siding, which gives the home a classic textured look. Metal roofs are also common, adding a sleek modern touch. Large, inviting porches are a hallmark of this style, providing a perfect spot for relaxing or entertaining. These elements combine to create a warm and welcoming first impression. Let's head inside and explore the interior features. Living spaces. Modern farmhouse living spaces are usually open floor plans. Exposed beams and high ceilings are common features, adding character and a sense of spaciousness. The goal is to create a comfortable and functional space where family and friends can gather. Kitchens. Kitchens in modern farmhouse design are the heart of the home. They often feature farmhouse sinks, open shelving, and large islands. These kitchens are designed for cooking and entertaining, with plenty of space for both. Bedrooms and bathrooms. Bedrooms and bathrooms in a modern farmhouse are all about serenity and comfort. These spaces often feature neutral colors and natural light, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Simple, functional furniture and decor make these rooms both practical and inviting. Next, we'll share some practical tips for achieving a modern farmhouse look in your home. Achieving a modern farmhouse look in your home is all about striking the right balance between old-world charm and contemporary style. Here are some key tips to help you achieve this. Mix old and new elements. Blend vintage pieces with modern accents to create a harmonious space. Pairing a sleek modern sofa with a rustic wooden coffee table, for example, can add depth and character to your living room. Focus on functionality and comfort. Modern farmhouse design prioritizes comfort and practicality. Choose furniture and decor that not only look good, but also serve a purpose. Opt for cozy textiles like soft throws and plush cushions that invite you to relax and unwind. Incorporate DIY projects. DIY projects can add a personal touch to your home. Consider making your own decor items or refurbishing vintage furniture to fit your style. By following these tips, you can create a modern farmhouse look that's both stylish and inviting, transforming your home into a cozy retreat that you'll love coming back to. Finally, let's look at some popular modern farmhouse trends. Modern farmhouse design incorporates several key trends that elevate the style. One of the most popular is sliding barn doors. These doors are not only practical, saving space compared to traditional swing doors, but they also add a distinctive rustic charm. Available in various finishes, they can complement any decor scheme. Shiplap walls add texture and interest to your space. They are a simple way to incorporate the farmhouse aesthetic into your home. Industrial lighting fixtures, like metal pendant lights and vintage-inspired lamps, are popular in modern farmhouse design. They add a contemporary edge to the rustic elements of the style. Open shelving in kitchens is also a significant trend. It replaces traditional upper cabinets, allowing for display of beautiful dishes and cookware, making the kitchen feel more open and airier. Finally, incorporating vintage or repurposed items, like reclaimed wood furniture or antique decor pieces, ties the look together, giving your home a personalized touch that feels both modern and timeless. To wrap up, we've covered the key aspects of modern farmhouse design, from color palettes and materials to furniture and decor. We've looked at both the exterior and interior features that define this style. By following our tips and incorporating popular trends, you can achieve a modern farmhouse look in your own home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to apply these ideas and transform your space into a stylish and welcoming haven.